Welcome back, Knife Fam. Today we have another unboxing. Today what I have inside of here is I have another Kubey, a Kubey white box, and I believe it's pronounced the Tityus, Tityus, Kubey Tityus. It's a blue titanium, and obviously I have a thing or two for titanium knives. Yeah, let's go ahead and box it. We got some Christmas colors in here. Move that out the way. All right, so another Kubey white box. All right, so let's get that out. All right. Ooh. Little cleaning cloth in there. I wish they would come with cases. That would be awesome, man. All right. Wow, this is cool. Nice and light. Oh, I like this. Looks better in person. All right, pick this up for a good price. All right, titanium. Let's see the flip. Nice. There you go. I love the pocket clip on that. All right, so once again, this is the blue titanium. See some jibbing in here. Blue titanium. Tityus. Nice flipper action on there. Frame lock. Feels good. I love it. I like the way it looks. Almost kind of reminds me of scales, kind of like a alien scales, some fish scales. But once again, this is badass. This is blue titanium Kubey Tityus. And yeah, let's flip it one more time. Check it out, y'all.